Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our reprint kitchen ticket function works. How to get here. You may refer back my previous tutorial. You would like to reprint kitchen ticket for Table 3. Table 3, which is the receipt number, is A000013. Let's get started. Since the function not often to use, we normally map inside the Manager function page. Hit the table numbers that you wish to reprint kitchen ticket. Hit the Reprint Kitchen Ticket button. Table number 3 receipt number prompt for reprint. Confirmed. It is done. All orders from this table will reprint at kitchen printer. We also able to define which dedicated kitchen printer to reprint. Same command kitchen ticket function follows by printer name. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.